Welcome to my third Visual Basic tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be learning about complex strings. So open Visual Basic, create a new project, make sure it's console application and call it whatever you want, but I'm going to call mine tutorial 3. Like always, start writing your code in between submain and end sub. Just dim an x variable as an integer, and say if you had Console.Write and it said enter an amount, and what you wanted to do was you wanted to just say back what the amount entered was, but using one string. So you would say x equals Console.ReadLine, and you would say Console.Write. Now in the previous tutorial I would put Console.Write, write the variable, but if you actually want text in front of the variable to say your amount was and then the variable, it works slightly differently. You first write your string, which your amount was, and then if you want to include a variable you need the and sign or an ampersand sign, which is that sign there. Leave a space and then include the variable you want to include, which is x or whatever you've called your variable, and then Console.ReadLine. Now as you can see, if I had 5 as the amount, your amount was 5. I thought it was a good idea to do this tutorial because some people may think that you write x in between the quotation marks, but if I was to do that, it would just output this: your amount was x. Whenever you want to include a variable, you must use the ampersand sign and then type the variable. If you wanted to include a string after the variable, all you would do is space, ampersand again, and then write another text string. So, yay. And then if you were to debug that, 5, or I'll use different, I'll put 8. Your amount was 8. Yay. Also, if you do add a variable to your string, it's probably best to, if you have 2 strings either side of a variable, it's best just to leave a space before the variable and after. Otherwise it looks a little bit messy, and the user might not understand. So it's best to leave a space either side of the variable as well, so it will look like this. Your amount was 6. Just to go over, enter amount is that Console.Write line. If you entered 3, x is now assigned to 3. Then it will write the string the amount was, and then include the variable which we've assigned to 3, and then write a string after the variable of yay. So your amount was 3. Yay. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope to see you in the next tutorial.